Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an endless supply of money, time, and health to enjoy life, while others struggle despite working tirelessly? The secret might surprise you. It's not about how much you earn, but rather how you earn it. Welcome to the world of earned income and passive income, two financial concepts that could change your life. Earned income is the money you receive for the work you do. It's the paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, the tips you earn as a waiter, or the profit you make from selling your handcrafted items on Etsy. It's the income you actively work for. It's the extra cash you earn from your side gig, whether it's trading Forex, Bitcoin mining, or driving for Uber. These are all forms of earned income, and while they can supplement your regular income, they require your time and effort. Passive income, on the other hand, is money you earn without actively working for it. Think of royalties from a book you've written, rental income from a property you own, or profit from a network marketing business you're part of. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to earn money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or while you're spending time with your loved ones. Now, you might be thinking, but I get tax write-offs from my delivery driving side gig. And while that's true, it's important to remember that not all earned income activities offer such benefits. But you know what does? A home-based network marketing business. It ticks both boxes, providing passive income and offering tax incentives. So, if you're tired of trading your precious time for money and want to start owning your life, it's time you considered passive income options. If you're interested in learning more about how a home-based network marketing business could help you achieve financial freedom, leave a comment below. And if you're hungry for more life-changing content, hit that subscribe button. Remember, the key to owning your life is not just making money, but making it work for you. Let's embark on this journey together. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep striving for financial freedom.